Good morning, dear students. I hope you understood the first part. So now we are going to learn the remaining lessons. In the first part, we saw about Robinson. So he wanted to become a sailor in childhood, but his father did not allow him to become a sailor. So he became sad, so he ran away from his house. So after that, he joined one ship. In that, he joined as a cabin boy. So cabin boy means who is doing cleaning in a small helper type of job, assistant like that. So that is called cabin boy. Sailor means who is doing duty in the ship, that we call as a sailor. So first Robinson become a cabin boy, after that he become a sailor. So one day, in which ship he is working? The ship with full of luggage, it went to Africa. So there with Robinson, few persons are also went into the ship. So when they were have journey in the ship, that time a big storm hit in the ship. So the ship, and next 13 days it was thrown by the storm, and by big waves the ship went to inside, and the people also the waves took and throw somewhere else. So by the next waves it was high, mighty waves came and it took the Robinson into the Iceland's beach. So when he reached that beach, he wanted to know about his friends. So he was searching, he was looking around that, but he could not find anyone. So after that, he thanked to the God by saving him, and he thought that by laying alone in the beach it was dangerous, because if again the waves comes, it took him into the sea. So he crowded and he went to on the tree. He climbed on the tree, and whole day, full night he was sitting on the tree. So the next morning he was searching his ship. So he saw it is nearby him. So he went and he reached that ship, and he took what are the necessary things he needs, and he made a new house in that. So first part we saw this much, and the remaining lessons we will learn now. So first he constructed a wall around the area with sharp wooden pieces. So see, first he constructed a wall. So first he constructed a wall around the area with sharp wooden pieces. So he then made a second wall of defense. The space in between was filled with stones and mud. So first he made wall, after that he kept sharp wooden pieces, upside of that he made second wall. So in remaining he filled some holes were there, in that he filled with stone and mud. So now he has a nice house. So instead of a gate, so after making house we should keep gate in front of the house. So what he is going to do, instead of the gate he made a leather over the fence. It could be lowered or lifted as he wishes. So if he want to make a gate, he needs more money, and if he wants to change, otherwise he wants to ship, he cannot take with him. So he thought that he could make in leather one, and wherever he wants to go he could carry with him. So this is way no one could come inside his fort. So after making leather gate, he went inside and he was looking around the houses, because if any wall comes, instead of him anyone can come inside. Likewise he is searching, but it is not possible. Inside he made a fine house and stocked all his goods. So inside he found a nice house. So what are the things he bought in that goods he settled in his house? So there was a stream of fresh water quite close by. So where he made house nearby one stream of fresh water quite. So stream means river type also is there. From that river is there. From that he can get good water for drinking. And Robinson caught several animals. So Robinson caught several animals because there he is living alone. So he caught several animals and he dried their meat and stored them for the future. So how many animals he caught? So he killed that animals and he dried that meat and he kept and he stored and he kept for the future life because he is living alone there. After he had been on the island for a year or two, he made a small boat. So after that 1 year or 2 years, he made a small boat. To his surprise, it sailed well. So he made small boat in that he started to roam here and there. He used that boat for himself. So he could now sail into the sea and catch fish. So he went into that boat and he catch fish in the sea. He could now sail around his island because now he can move from around island anywhere because he made a new ship with this, and he could also visit the nearby islands. So with that help of that boat he could visit near the place. He developed his own calendar of days and months and kept a record of all his daily activities. So he made himself own calendars. In that calendars he mentioned day, date, month, year, and day to day activities here he is mentioned in that calendar. He learned to make pots and grow corn, rice and wheat. He tamed a goat, a cat and a dog. Now Robinson Crusoe lived happily. So now he know how to cook rice, wheat, flour, okay, and he has animals also with him, cat, cow and goat. One fine day, one good day, a boat full of savages landed on his island. So one boat full of fire, it landed on island. They had a prisoner with them. So those who are coming in that ship, they had one prisoner. Prisoner means slave person. They had with them. Probably, so almost those who are coming in the ship, okay, instead of the prisoner, all are went to eat food. So they were going to eat as they were cannibals, because those who came in that particular ship with the prisoners, they were cannibals. So the cannibals means who is eating the person, who is eating, okay, person who is eating the another person flesh, okay. So human being eats other human flesh, that persons we call cannibals. So who is eating the other person's flesh, that persons we call as a cannibals. So they were cannibals, they were having planned to eat him. To whom? The prisoner, okay, the slave boy. And the prisoner managed to free himself and ran for his life. So the prisoner, he tried to escape from them because he knows they are going to eat him. So he want to escape from them himself, he want to live. So he tried to escape from them, but they ran for his life. The savages ran after him. So the savages who came in the ships, they also ran and catched him. So he could not escape from that. So Robinson decided to save the little black man. So now the Robinson, he saw all these things, so he wanted to save him. So he started to shoot, okay, he started to shoot them one by one, he killed them. He shot the savages one by one, he then took the man home. So after that, the Robinson Crusoe, he took that black man to his house. He named him Friday. So after that, he gave name to him Friday. Why he is giving Friday to him means they met on the Friday. That's why Robinson, he kept his name as a Friday. So as he was found on a Friday. So Friday only he was found him, that's why he kept his name as a Friday. So Crusoe was very happy. So now Crusoe was very happy because so far he was living alone. No one is not there with him to share his feelings. But now he got one person. He had someone with whom he could now talk. But now he has someone he could talk to that person. For years he had been alone on the island. So now he has one person, he can talk to him. Okay? But both of them did not know each other's language. But now they both of them did not know the language. Which language Robinson he is talking? That language? The Friday he did not know. Which language Friday he is talking? That language Robinson did not know. So therefore Robinson decided to teach English step by step to Friday, and gradually Friday learned English. So finally Friday he learned English well. So for many years Robinson Crusoe lived on the island happily with his friend Friday. So many years they both were living in Iceland, okay, very happy without any disturbance. After that, one day a big ship came near his island and landed on it. So one day a big ship came and landed in nearby the Robinson house. So Crusoe was happy to see his countrymen because he was happy to see his companions, his countrymen. They were surprised to him and his house. So there is also surprised and to see him and his house because Robinson Crusoe he thought they were dead and they thought he was dead. But now all are alive, living happily. They took Robinson Crusoe and his friend Friday to England. So after met them, they took Robinson Crusoe and Friday to England. So there Crusoe told all his adventures to his friends. So after reaching England, Robinson Crusoe he shared everything to their friends. What happened? How did he reach the Iceland beach and how did he meet the Friday and how he saved him and how he taught him to learn English. So Robinson Crusoe he was share each and everything to his friend. Yes, my dear children, this is the lesson 20. So our syllabus is over. Hereafter we will have our revisions. So learn well, be safe at home. Thank you and have a nice day.